Everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. I have a quick Monza Evo Deluxe Super Automatic Espresso machine brought in because it was giving a Grouphead error right here, bunch of red lights, and you hear this loud buzzing sound of the motor trying to move the gears and operate the Grouphead, but it could not. So we replaced it. Motor, Grouphead assembly, and now you can see the machine is at least lighting up, working good, but we'll pull a shot. Everything sounds pretty normal. And I think the customer has this programmed for about 1 ounce. It's going to be about halfway. Yep, thereabouts. Well, there you have it. Motor replaced, Grouphead fine. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.